In addition to the ability to load your own sounds inside of Sampla, Sampla also comes with an extensive factory sound bank. Let's take a listen to some of those sounds now. We'll start in the construction kits. This is the Aya construction kit. These patches are all ready to go. All you have to do is load them up and get going. Now why don't we take a listen to some of the affected drums inside of Sampla. There's a large variety of instruments in Sampla. In the Sampla Instruments folder, you'll find a number of different acoustic instruments ranging from upright basses to organs, pianos, and even strings. Let's take a listen to the strings. Another variety of instruments that we provide is our orchestral instruments. Now in here you're going to find orchestral hits. Let's take a listen to those now. Other than orchestral hits, we also have what are called orchestral flourishes. Now these are looped sounds that transpose up and down the keyboard. For every octave there's a different loop sound. So you can play different variations of these loops throughout the keyboard. This allows you to quickly create sequences like this. Sampla is stocked with a variety of amazing sounds. In the synth section, you'll find a number of different types of synths, including basses, leads, and pads. Let's listen to a bass. We also have a variety of sub-basses. Let's take a listen to one of those now. If you turn it up loud enough, you'll probably hear your trunk shake outside. Now let's listen to one of the synth leads. You see how many sounds are actually in this sample bank. It's quite a large collection. There are also pad sounds. Now these are nice, gorgeous, lush patches that you can use to really fill out your tracks. Let's take a listen to one of the pads right now. Other than the pre-made instruments inside the Sampla factory bank, we also include a number of user samples in the user drum samples folder and synth samples folder. But what makes Sampla even more powerful is the ability to import any MP3, WAV, AIFF, or ACID file right inside of Sampla to create your own instruments.